To create a route in the Strava app, start by opening the App Store on your device. Once the store is open, locate the search bar, typically found in the bottom row, and click on it. Then, search for Strava and download the app. After the app has been downloaded, exit the App Store and find the Strava app on your device. Open the app, and you will see several options at the bottom, including Home, Maps, Record, Groups, and You. To create a route, click on the Maps tab. If you have a subscription or the full version of the app, you will have the option to create a route. Click on the Create Route option, which can be found by selecting the Maps settings and then the 3D option, and follow the provided instructions. Note that creating routes is a feature only available to those with a subscription or the full version of the app, but all users can view routes and segments. By following these steps, you can create a custom route in the Strava app.